Duo adds an important layer of protection for your cybersecurity posture by validating your identification online, making sure that it's actually you who's logging in. This is done by combining something that you know, like your password, with something that you have in your possession, like your mobile phone. When you log into your Duo protected application, you'll enter your username and password just like normal. And then you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Depending on how your company has implemented Duo, your exact experience may vary at this point. If you're already enrolled, Duo has several easy options for MFA, including push, passcode, and callback. I'm going to select Send Me a Push, which sends an authentication request to my smartphone via the Duo mobile app. Duo Push is the fastest and most secure method of MFA available, so we highly recommend using this option. I open the push on my smartphone and read the details on the notification. If you did not initiate this push, make sure to hit the red deny button and follow the prompts, as this could be a third party trying to gain access to your system. If you did initiate the push, great. Just click the green approve button, and now you're logged in. Well, that wraps it up for this video on Duo. Thanks for watching.